The Audi R8 is a masterpiece of German engineering and a symbol of high-performance luxury. With its bold design, aggressive stance, and exceptional driving dynamics, the R8 stands as a testament to Audi's dedication to precision and innovation. The exterior of the Audi R8 features sharp lines, a wide front grille, and signature LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. Finished in sleek black, the car exudes elegance and sportiness, appealing to both purists and performance enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Audi R8 houses a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that delivers breathtaking acceleration and an unmistakable exhaust note. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the R8 ensures superior traction and handling on any road surface. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just over 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars available. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission offers lightning-fast gear changes, allowing the driver to experience seamless performance whether cruising or pushing limits on a track. The interior of the R8 is a blend of luxury and race design. Every element inside the cabin is driver-focused, with premium materials like fine Napa leather, carbon fiber trims, and aluminum accents. The virtual cockpit replaces traditional gauges with a customizable digital display, giving the driver complete control over performance, data, navigation, and entertainment. The flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls enhances the sporty feel, while the low seating position and bolstered seats provide maximum support during spirited drives. Technology in the Audi R8 is as advanced as its performance. With features like MMI navigation plus Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, smartphone integration, and real-time telemetry options, the R8 keeps the driver connected and entertained. Safety systems like parking sensors, rear-view camera, and adaptive cruise control ensure confidence behind the wheel. Owning an Audi R8 is not just about transportation, it's about emotion, power, and prestige. Whether admired in a showroom or roaring down the highway, the R8 makes a bold statement. It reflects the perfect balance of beauty and beast, blending supercar performance with everyday drivability. In the world of high-performance vehicles, the Audi R8 remains a benchmark, capturing the essence of modern automotive excellence with every rev, shift, and turn.